biggest takeaway for this event is that email marketing is something that will not end sooner or later.
Email is not dead. Malaki ang possibility ng email na makatulong sa mga e-commerce businesses o sa kahit anong businesses. It's just a matter of connecting and relating to your audience and providing valuable information at the right time.
Really, as a marketer, we should value na hindi lang tayo marunong magsulat ng copy, but we also need to know how to do market research well, offer creation, and also leads management. Andun talaga yung conversion at yung pera na pwedeng ma-generate ng business ng clients.
We always try to test everything out. Numbers don't lie. The more you test, the more na makikita mo kung ano yung nag-work sa hindi.
If I will go back in time, mas magiging obsessed ako sa knowledge about list management and market research.
You need to be specific. Ano ba talaga yung gusto nyong tulungan? 7-figure brands?
Yung gagawa ka ng email on the same day mo siya isi-send, very wrong. Kasi gagawin mo siya ng madalian eh. Doon ko natutunan yung value nung creating emails in advance.
Email marketing is something, for me, will stay. Nasa atin kung paano natin ite-take as an advantage yung AI sa ating service. How we can mix that sa ating pagiging creative as well.
Hindi kasi ako ganun ka-confident ngayon sa AI. Yes, kaya niya mag-produce ng mabilisan, pero it cannot generate unique stories na tayo lang yung nakaka-experience.
Yun yung magiging challenge kasi if right now, hindi ka nakaka-adapt with the market trends, kung ano yung platforms na ginagamit ng mga prospects natin, in the next 3 years, mas lalo kang mahihirapan kasi mas marami pang platforms na lumalabas. Learn how to adapt and continuous learning. Huwag kang makontento kasi marami pang bagong dadating.
Kailangan yung alamin palagi yung trend. Saan kayo pupunta? Facebook groups. Yan, mga relevant groups. Pwede sa mga podcast, YouTube, tsaka TikTok, syempre. Lagi kayo magbabasa ng comments. Doon yung makukuha lahat ng kailangan yung i-address para mas makabenta or mas tumaas yung engagement.
I want to highlight yung kay Coach Fred. Nakarelate ako kasi the reason why na nandito ako is alam ko na this is a very rare opportunity. It's a kind of a star-studded event nga na I would probably never see this people like email marketing Lodis in one place ever again, teaching us this stuff na hindi mo matututunan outside of this environment.
Ito lang gusto naman mangyari is yung magkaroon ng event wherein hindi namin pinifilter kung ano yung pwede naming sabihin. Hindi namin pinifilter kung magigets pa nila to o hindi. Ang sa amin, sasabihin namin gusto namin sabihin kasi gusto namin matuto kami sa isa't isa. Maraming salamat for being here. This is a rare collection of people na bihira mong makikita sa isang event. Please make use of the resources.
I came from Sikihor Island actually. I know that I will go home na worth it yung travel, yung mga give up ko for 4 days, and then syempre yung financial na investment ko.
The value that you get is nothing compared to the price that you paid for it. Join the conversation, be involved, and learn from them as well as share your knowledge.
Very appealing talaga sa akin yung nagle-level up and very curious talaga ako. How would it look like if level 99 ako? I would want to see what the view looks like dun sa mountain and sa level na.
When I started being myself, doon ako mas nag-grow eh. Hindi lang pala yung strength ko is memorization. Kaya ko rin palang humarap sa maraming tao.
A failure doesn't mean it's a failure. Maybe it's just pushing you into the right direction wherein you will become successful.
Ang na-realize ko, even sa all this time na nagre-refine ako, all this time na pinapausap ko yung pet ko, nagre-refine na pala ako para pinaghanda na pala ako until this point na pag sinabi kong gusto ko, may access na pala ako, may kakayahan na pala ako, may autonomy na pala ako sa kahit anong gusto kong gawin sa buhay.
Once you figure out your superpowers and you stay in your lane for enough period of time, progress or success will happen.
Ang naging battle cry ko as a freelancer is to educate the people that there's an opportunity online. The internet is not just for Facebook, YouTube, and online games. If I can change one person, I can change a generation.
As an email marketer, kailangan lagi tayong nag-grow. Kailangan lagi tayong open for new learnings. With the experiences na nag-gain nila, na sineshare nila ngayon, parang shortcut na to sa atin. So kung gusto mo na matuto agad, you have to attend these kinds of events.
It's highly recommended to join events like this if you want to improve your skill, if you want to learn more information about the niche, about your market, and to network to other people.
When you go to an event, you create connections with these people who will probably lead you to your next level up. So who knows where will I be in the next few years because of these people.
It's not very usual that you are part of a community na same kayo ng offer, same kayo ng mindset, same kayo ng level of understanding when it comes to the service of email marketing. And sabi nga nila, your network is your network. So, mas maganda na makakasama mo yung mga same na level mo para kayo lang din yung magtutulungan pataas.